Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Air Force 1 Mid SP Leather. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love. In the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Nike Off White collab in the Air Force 1 Mid SP Leather. We've got it in the white varsity maize colorway in the UK size 7. Forgive me, it's not. We got this in the UK size 8, so European 42.5, and so US 9. So this is another collab between Off White and Nike. Rest in power, Virgil Abloh. His designs, his legacy is forever impacted on all of us in sneakers, and here's one of them right now. So this is a crazy design on Air Force 1. I mean, the fact that it's this yellow is crazy enough. I mean, you don't see a lot of yellow sneakers, to be fair, but you've got the whole off-white design that makes it unique. I mean, who else would put like spikes on his sneaker? So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole has the traditional Air Force 1 radial traction patterning right here, but you've got an additional spikes all around. The midsole unit, so this midsole unit is a foam midsole, but you can kind of see the air unit that's inside, whereas normal Air Force 1s don't have that window, but this off-white version does. And then the upper, so you've got this traditional upper of an Air Force 1 Mid. You've got the strap right here, and you've got the levers all around. So it's a leather upper. You've got the Nike swoosh in this white. And what's a really cool detail is if you look at the heel right here, there is a silhouette stitched on of the Grim Reaper. Now, this is a nod to Rasheed Wallace, who famously wore Air Force 1s during his playing days. He famously wore Air Force 1s, and he won a championship with the Detroit Pistons. So this is a cool nod to Rasheed Wallace. And you look at the lacing system, so you've got two laces, kind of similar to the Nike Dunks that Virgil Abloh did. You've got this white lace that goes around, and it's just over the normal laces, so you can see the flat laces with your typical shoelaces written there, typical off-white. And you've got the Flywire technology that wraps the white laces around. With it being a mid, you've got it obviously being more higher than the traditional Air Force 1 low, obviously. And then you got the strap right there to help keep your feet in. You got this toggle right here with the white lacing. You got a synthetic insole, and it isn't an off-white sneaker without the zip lock right here. And you got it in this cool yellow that matches. Really dope design. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of the spikes. If there was no spikes, I'll be here for it. But it's really cool. Great nods from the guys at Off White and Virgil Abloh himself, rest in power, and little nod there to Rasheed Wallace. Can't go wrong with some Air Force 1s, but my little critique of it is going to be the spikes. Without the spikes, it will be a really dope sneaker in my opinion. So roll that footage of me trying these on for you. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. Unfortunately, this is half size bigger than what I usually wear for Nike. Typically, I'm a UK size 7.5. This is a UK size 8, so there's a bit of space. It was a bit of a struggle to put on, guys, and I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they're not the best looking. Like, I'm here for unique designs and everything, and yeah, it's something I wouldn't personally wear. I mean, I've got them on my feet now, but that's just another thing. Anyway, they look really unique on. I'd rather just get a pair of Air Force Ones personally. That's just my take. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.